And things are starting off early down here at Black Point as our guy can't get off the ramp already, and we just set up down here. Smoking gun, getting them tires rolling, man. Let's see how our crew handles this. If we've got some people we can toss in the back or what we're going to do. So it looks like we're going to try backing up a little bit, see if we can take a little weight off the truck and try and get a running start. And that's going to get it done. And this is just how things start down here. Welcome back, guys, to the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And our crew, he hit it pretty solid right here. Looked a little nervous coming in, but well, I spoke too soon. I thought he landed it all right. Wifey's grabbed the line, pulled the bow in, and now the stern's kicked out. I don't see a stern line. So Wifey's trying to hand him the other side, but now she's just handed him the line. Oh, she had two. No, just the one line, yeah. They're going to hit the boat behind him. All right, Cap notices it. He's going to have to come back here and do the push off of Shane to avoid hitting the other vessel. And actually, pretty solid kickoff. That might be enough to get the whole boat back over. If Wifey just kicks the bow out a hair, we might get this one put up. And he's rocking the boat, trying to get it to come a little closer to the dock. And there we go. We should be good to go now, but gotta grab a second line, my brother. Gotta grab a second line. Watch out for the concrete, boys. The wind and currents got people a little miffed today, and people have been struggling. Like this crew here, I mean, they completely came in way too wide. Started heading toward the fillet table. Maybe they were trying to take a shortcut. Maybe they were fishing and they thought, let's just dock over at the fillet table and we'll get it done in one shot. But that's all concrete over there, not typically the best plan. So here we go. He's going to turn it back in, try and make a sharp angle toward the dock. And we've got the bow rail, which is always fun and adds a little complexity to this. And our guy's off, but he left without grabbing a line. And there we go. Our girl tosses him one. Oh, and he pulls it in, and we wind up hitting the anchor roller on the dock. And man, they've rolled this thing way up there. The whole boat just shifted as it kind of slid back down. Our crew's making their approach. We got Wifey in the bow on the ready. And let's see how Cap does trying to put this blackfin home. So Wifey's on the other side. I'm wondering, it looks like she's trying to adjust lines. I guess we were going to go the other way originally. Not a bad line. Pops it in reverse to give it the little break. Bro, you're still in reverse. He's still in reverse. Oh, and he's going to hit. Oh, this is a pricey little boat too. Cap's not going to be happy about that one. But he just left it in reverse, man. And now the bow's bounced off, so he's going to have to reset this whole thing back up. So Wifey's at least got the lines being moved to the correct side this time. Let's see if he's going to go in on the same dock or what the approach will be now. Wind and currents got him a little bit. He's gonna have to back it up. I always get nervous when I see the wind grab people right there. That's how we see these guys wind up in the concrete over there on the right-hand side. And it looks like he's gonna try and reset this one all the way back up. And our girl's got the handy-dandy boat hook out. But she's still struggling. She's trying to get a line over here, but we got a rat's nest going on. No. You're going to have to untie that one a little bit, dear, or grab that boat hook and pull yourself over a little more. No, we're going to keep missing. Uh-oh, Cap. You got it backing out. Watch out for the boats behind you, bro. And she's still missing on the toss. She's got to undo that rat's nest a little bit to try and get a little more line. And there we go. Our guy's got it. The line kind of clears itself up as he pulls it. But he's got so much slacking and it's not much help. Now she's pulling the boat hook out again. And she's going to get the double hand assist here. And they should be able to get this pulled up now. Hard brake check. Our guy jumps out, but we've got the tree here blocking our shot. Coming in a little hot, bro. You're going to have to hit the brakes again. And there we go. They get it pulled together. And the big guy's paying us a visit. It really is hard to describe how big this thing is. I mean, you can kind of tell a little bit when you're comparing it to the pontoon that's in the background, but it's definitely intimidating when he's around. And you can hear a dog barking. One of these days, one of these dogs is going to become a snack for this thing. Anytime he's around and there's dogs down here, they all kind of go nuts. He pretty much ignores them most of the time, but one of these dogs is going to jump in one day. And it's going to be an interesting scene. But just look at the size of him, man. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. You can tell by the boat behind him. I mean, I'm not going to guess on feet. Somebody else, you guys let me know in the comments below how big you think this is. But this is just one of the things that adds to the complexity of boating down here at Black Point. You definitely don't want to fall in the water down here. There's definitely a ton of wildlife down here. I mean, we get the manatees that come by all the time as well. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.